Unreal Engine 5 versus Houdini. Which 3D tool is better? Choosing the right 3D software can transform your creative workflow and output without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore both powerful options briefly to help you decide. Unreal Engine 5 and Houdini are both leading 3D tools but serve different purposes. Unreal Engine 5 focuses on real-time rendering and game development, while Houdini excels in procedural generation and complex simulations. Understanding this core difference is key. Unreal Engine 5 is a cutting-edge real-time 3D creation platform developed by Epic Games. It enables developers and artists to build interactive experiences, games, and cinematic content with stunning visual fidelity. Its core strength lies in real-time rendering powered by advanced technologies like Nanite for virtualized geometry and Lumen for dynamic global illumination. This allows for highly detailed environments and realistic lighting without long wait times. Unreal Engine 5 supports a wide range of platforms, from consoles to mobile devices, making it versatile for game developers and virtual production teams. However, it has a steeper learning curve if you are new to game engines or real-time workflows. Ideal users include game developers, virtual production artists, and creators who need real-time interactivity combined with high-quality visuals. For those focused on immersive experiences or interactive storytelling, Unreal Engine 5 offers unmatched capabilities. Houdini, developed by SideFX, is a powerful 3D software specializing in procedural modeling, visual effects, and complex simulations. It uses a node-based workflow that allows artists to create highly customizable and repeatable effects like smoke, fire, fluids, destruction, and terrain generation. Houdini's procedural nature means changes can be made at any stage without starting over, making it ideal for iterative design and large-scale environments. It integrates well with other 3D tools and pipelines often used in film, TV, and game production for its ability to handle intricate simulations. However, Houdini requires significant expertise to master its procedural system and can be resource-intensive for real-time applications. It is best suited for technical artists, VFX professionals, and studios needing detailed simulations and procedural workflows. If your focus is on creating complex effects and procedural content rather than real-time rendering, Houdini is the go-to choice. When comparing Unreal Engine 5 and Houdini, the choice depends on your project needs. Unreal Engine 5 shines in real-time rendering, interactive experiences, and game development, providing immediate visual feedback and platform versatility. In contrast, Houdini excels at procedural generation and advanced simulations, offering unparalleled control for creating complex visual effects and environments. For example, a game developer wanting immersive worlds would benefit from Unreal Engine 5's real-time tools, while a VFX artist creating realistic destruction or fluid simulations would prefer Houdini's procedural power. The trade-off is between interactivity and simulation complexity. Unreal Engine 5 is optimized for performance and accessibility in game engines, whereas Houdini demands a steeper learning curve but rewards with procedural flexibility. Both tools can complement each other in pipelines, but choosing the right one depends on whether your priority is real-time rendering or procedural effects. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for creators focused on real-time applications, game development, and interactive storytelling with top-tier visual fidelity and platform support. Houdini is the best choice for artists and studios needing advanced procedural workflows and detailed simulations. Its power lies in flexibility and control over complex effects, making it essential for VFX-heavy projects and procedural content creation. Choose based on your creative goals for maximum impact.